She can watch any video and do any style. Trust me. You guys need to book her. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, my hair is all blown out. Today we're going to be doing and trying another protective style. We'll be doing the passion twist today. Well, not me. My mom will be doing the passion twist today. If you did not catch my other video when we did the butterfly locks, I will link that right up here. So make sure you go ahead and watch that video. You guys love that video. I got so many views on that video. I told my mom it's all her fault. She's a star. It's not about me, but you know, you guys love her. So we had to do another video, and today we're going to be trying the passion twist, doing the rubber band method and the crochet method. So we'll be showing you guys how we're doing that style. Now in my last video you guys wanted more explanation of how we were doing it. So in this video I'll let you guys see the whole process of each step we're doing. So I didn't really blow it out. I just kind of make sure it's detangled and a little bit stretched. It's kind of moisturized and stuff, so we're gonna go through in section and do the rubber band first, and then we'll show you how we're doing the crochet, how she's doing the crochet needle to get the hair through, and yeah, to do this style. So make sure you subscribe and keep on watching if you want to see how this style is gonna turn out. So let's get started. So the first thing I'm gonna do is get these rubber band all moisturized by adding a little bit of oil. This is a technique I learned from a couple other YouTubers as well. So it just makes it easier for the elastic band not to like tug on my hair, because I don't want it to break. So just a little bit, and I'm just like mixing it around to make sure they're nice and slippery, I guess. So just a little bit, as you can see. So that's the first step. And the hair I'm gonna be using today, I don't remember what name it was. But I got it off Amazon, and I will go ahead and find the link and link it in the description. It is Water Wave. I just don't remember what brand because I took it out of the box. But this is how it comes, and when you open it out, it has like each pack of hair in this little section. The color I got is 1B Burgundy. So this is how it comes. I think I have about 6 of these packs in here. They also gave me a crochet needle, which I thought was pretty cool. So they put a crochet needle in here, and they put a couple accessories, which I love, in here because I am running out of the... They did put some rubber bands inside, but it's the colorful rubber bands, so I'm not going to be using those. So yeah, this is it, and I'm going to let my mom take over and let her do her thing. All right, Mom, are you ready?
Yes, I am.
Say hi to the people.
Hi, everybody. How are you today?
All right, so what you're gonna be doing, explain to the people. What's your first step?
Well, my first step is that I'm going to use a rubber band to sectionalize these here. I am presently parting. Yep.
We're definitely using the Shine Jam again. I have the red one. You can use the red one or the yellow one, but they did say the red one has the strongest hold, so that's the one I use on the last style I did, and this is what I'll be using. As you can see, still pretty full, so this is what I'll be using for most of my protective style. So
yep, and so I'm applying shiny jam to the root of the hair.
Alright, so
That's the first
that's
one.
the first one. And we're just gonna go through, speed this part up, and she's gonna do all of it the same way. So we'll check back in when she's basically almost done with the elastic portion of it, so just keep on watching. Alright guys, so we are done with the rubber banding method part of it. Just show you guys. It's just sectioned off and rubber band. This is great for anyone that don't want to braid from the roots, or if you don't know how to braid like me. It's a great technique. So I'll just show you guys what it looks like. I didn't want them too small, so really big parts. So that is what I have so far. Two shot?
I think so.
Oh,
I didn't know the hair was tall.
so yeah, we're just prepping the hair right now to go into the actual style itself.
I don't see that.
Okay, get to it.
Better, better, better.
Yeah.
This one is
Okay.
better, 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 better.
Yep. All right, I think she got a handle on it now. What do you think? These are the first two. First time doing it. She got it. All right, so for the back, we did cut the hair in two and half, so it's not that long. So she's just fluffing two pieces to give it a little bit more body, right?
Yes. Exactly.
And she's gonna use the crochet needle to push it through. She's using the same shine jam to smooth my hair, and you'll see better when I get up to the front. And start this already.
Come on. Oh girl, I'm getting a knock of it.
All right, it's a couple hours later. We're down to the final three. How is it going, Miss Bird?
Well, I'm going.
How was the process?
Tedious.
So she stopped doing the crochet method. All right, let me try to explain the process of what we're doing. So we grab two strands of the water wave, I think it's called, if I'm not mistaken. Make sure they are going the same direction, the little curl pattern. And then we fluff it a little bit. This was supposed to be my job, just to separate it. So you separate both sides. As you can see, she's using the shine jam. Too high. Bring it. The shine jam to smooth my hair so that it will lay flat inside the twist. And then because we want a little bit more, we take another piece just so we can have a little bit more body because my hair is thick. You can use a crochet needle to add it, but she's going the other way and braiding the root. So once you braid it just a little ways, then you turn it into two pieces and just twist all the way down to the end. Well, close to the end, to the length that you want it to go to. Hopefully that makes sense. Once you get to the length that you want it to be, just grab a rubber band and you're gonna put that around at the end of where you want it to stop. You could twist it all the way, but the length I'm going for is more blunt, like a bob look. And then you just cut it off. And as you can see, it just shrinks up and gives you this nice curly, wavy texture look. We're at the last one. Nope.
Yes, we are.
We are on the last one. Finally. Finally. The professional here.
Not yet. On my way.
She can watch any video and do any style. Trust me. You guys need to book her. Alright, talk to the people then. Oh, it look
Great so far. Finally, I've gotten the chance to learn to do this one as well.
Yep, add passion twist to your resume. This color is so nice. This style feels so good. It's not tight. Alright, you guys know the usual. I'm gonna sleep on it, lay my edges. Then when I'm all filmed and dressed up and do my little makeup, then I'll come back and give you guys the final look. I'll be back, guys. Alright guys, so this is the final result of the passion twist. They came out so cute. This type of hair shrinks up a lot, but that's the style, like you can see, but it shrinks right back up. But I am loving this short bob style, and this color is so pretty. So thanks to my mom for giving me another protective style that I love. So what you want to say to the people? Nothing? You don't want to talk to the people?
I just want to say, I hope you like it like you like the first one.
Yes. Show my mom some love by giving this video a thumbs up. So that is it for this video, guys. Like I said, hopefully you guys enjoyed it. This is just us having fun and trying new styles. We're not experts. She's not an expert, but she can watch videos and just practice and learn, and I love being the guinea pig so she can practice on me. So I don't mind at all. I get protective style and she learns a new style, so you know, it works out. So that is it for this video, and again, don't forget to subscribe, and until next time, bye guys.